Have you ever looked at an image filled with colorful dots and wondered how many of each color there are? It can be a bit tricky, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to count colored dots in an image using a script. I totally get it. Trying to count colored dots can feel overwhelming, especially when you're not sure where to start. You're definitely not alone in this. Many people face similar challenges when working with images. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked how to count red, green, and yellow dots in an image. They mentioned that the colors are pure red, green, and yellow, and the shapes are well defined. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing the confusion? The task of counting colored dots can be tricky without the right tools. OpenCV is a powerful library that can help with image processing, but it can be daunting if you're not familiar with it. Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. And stick around. I've got a simple script at the end that will make counting those dots a breeze. You won't want to miss it. To begin counting the colored dots in the image, the user should first install OpenCV. This can be done using the package manager for Python called pip. Next, the user should import the necessary libraries in their Python script. This includes OpenCV and NumPy, which will help with image processing. Now, the user needs to load the image into their script. This can be done using OpenCV's imread function, which reads the image file. After loading the image, the user should convert it to the HSV color space. This makes it easier to define color ranges for detection. Finally, the user can define the color ranges for red, green, and yellow dots and use the inRange function to create masks. Then, they can count the pixels in each mask to get the number of dots. Fun fact, did you know that the human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors? That's a lot of dots to count. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to counting colored dots in your image involves segmenting the image based on color. The user suggests initializing counters for red, yellow, and green dots. Then, for each pixel in the image, if the pixel color matches red, green, or yellow, you would use a flood fill method to mark that dot and increment the respective counter. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution involves using Bash and ImageMagick instead of OpenCV. This method requires no coding and works on various operating systems. The user provides a Bash script that counts colored dots in an image by filling colors and analyzing connected components. The script processes each color, filling pixels close to the target color with white, and then counts the resulting white blobs. The user can adjust the area threshold to include smaller blobs if needed. Here's the script recap. Install OpenCV, load your image, convert to HSV, define color ranges, and count the pixels. With these steps, you'll be counting colored dots like a pro. And there you have it. You should now be able to count colored dots in your images with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to share your success stories.